Morning children. So our next experiment will be the next titration. Aim for it is to prepare M by 50 solution of oxalic acid and with its help determine the molarity and strength of the given solution of the potassium permanganate. Children, here you have to prepare M by 50 solution of oxalic acid. The molecular mass of oxalic acid is 126. Earlier we have seen the calculation how you are going to prepare the required amount of solution. So the same way you are going to proceed for this. After that, the chemical equation involved here will be molecular equation 2K-4 plus 3H2SO4 gives K2SO4 plus 2MnSO4 plus 3H2O plus 5O. COOH dot 2H2O, this is oxalic acid with two molecules of order of crystallization. COOH dot 2H2O plus O. You have to heat it till 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, or at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius it gives 2CO2 plus 3H2O into 5. And you see the overall reaction. When you see the overall reaction, 2K-4 plus 2H2SO4 plus 5 COOH into 5. In order to balance this, we are going to multiply with 5. The overall reaction seems to be 2K-4 plus 2H2SO4 plus 5 COOH dot 2H2O gives K2SO4 plus 10 CO2 plus 2 MnSO4 plus 18 H2O. The ionic equation involved here is MnO4 negative plus 8H positive plus 5E negative gives Mn2 positive plus 4H2O into 2. C2O4 2 negative gives twice CO2 plus 2E negative into 5. Indicator, the K-4 is a self-indicator here. At end point, you will see colorless to permanent pink. Procedure, as you have to carry out the titration, that is you have to titrate the oxalic acid prepared with the K-4 solution given. Observation, weight of oxalic acid 1.26 gram. You have to calculate it. So it comes to 1.26 gram. Volume of solution prepared 500 ml. Molarity of oxalic acid solution M by 50. Volume of oxalic acid solution taken for each titration is 20 ml. After this, you have to make this chart. That is serial number, initial reading of burette, final reading of burette, volume of the K-4 solution used. Children, you have to take 3 concordant readings for that. Now the calculations. First, you have to take out the molarity of K-4 solution. For that, formula M-K-4 into V-K-4 upon M oxalic acid into V oxalic acid, where M-K-4 is the molarity of K-4 into V-K-4 is the volume required of K-4 upon M oxalic acid is the molarity of oxalic acid, V oxalic acid is the volume of oxalic acid, which is equal to 2 by 5. Children, why 2 by 5 is written? As you have seen in the equation there, that for 2 K-4 we need 5 COOH dot 2H2O, that is oxalic acid. So here we are going to write it 2 by 5. Now M-K-4 into X, the volume that is X will be used up, that this is the burette reading, upon 1 by 50 into 20. 1 by 50 is the molarity of oxalic acid into 20 ml, that is being pipette out, which is equal to 2 by 5, and it comes to 2 by 5 into 2 by 5x, which comes to 4 by 25x. So this way we are going to find the molarity here. and then B part, strength of KMnO4 solution. So strength in gram per liter can be found out by molarity into molar mass. So molarity you have taken it out from here, and KMnO4 you know the molar mass is 158, which comes to 4 by 25x into 150. So children, here the titration, that is the oxalic acid with KMnO4 is over. So one by one you have to calculate the first your oxalic acid, measure the oxalic acid, you have to prepare the oxalic acid, then you have to titrate with KMnO4, that is the given one. 20 ml of your oxalic acid you have to pipette out, take the KMnO4 in the burette and you have to titrate it. Find the volume of KMnO4 required, and then by putting those values in the formula we are going to take out the molarity, and then molarity of KMnO4 once we find it out the molarity, then multiply with molar mass and you will get the answer. Thank you children.